Pause this video and try this. Your answer will reveal your true PEMDAS mastery. Most students think they understand PEMDAS until this question shows up. This exam style problem combines parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction all in one. Ready? Let's find out. Now pause the video, solve this and then come back for the solution. I am Miss Becca and I help you make math click one step at a time. Let's break this down the way exam markers expect you to do it step by step without skipping logic. Solve inside parentheses. This question has two parentheses. This is one and this is the second one. So we solve what we have inside first. 3 square is 9. So this gives 9 minus 1 and this becomes 8. 6 minus 2 square, this gives 6 minus 4 and this becomes 2. So now let's rewrite the question properly. So we have 12 divided by 2, then this is what we have in the bracket, then plus 4 and then times what we have in the bracket here is 2. Step 2, rewrite implicit multiplication. Implicit multiplication happens when a number is right next to parentheses. Many students treat it differently, but in PEMDAS, multiplication is multiplication, whether implicit or explicit. Rewrite this as 12 divided by 2 times 8 plus 4 times 2. Step 2, undo multiplication and division from left to right because multiplication and division they are equal in priority. So we go from left to right. We go from left to right so that we have here this becomes 6 and then 6 we have 6 times 8 plus 4 times 2. Now we multiply 6 times 8 gives 48, then we have plus 4 times 2. Then we multiply this so we have 48 plus 8. Step 4, finish with addition and that is the last step. 48 plus 8 gives 56 and that is the final answer. If you got 56 before the breakdown, congratulations, you are stronger than most students I have taught. Now, let me show you the 3 most common wrong answers students get and why. Mistake 1, treating 2 bracket 8 as higher priority. Some students do this. When they get 2 bracket 8 here, then they multiply before dividing. Don't forget that we have 12 divided by 2 here. So instead of dividing first, they multiply first. Thereby they have 12 divided by 16 and then get 0.75 for this part. They do the same thing for this part, thereby getting a wrong answer. This is wrong because implicit multiplication is not higher priority. Mistake 2, doing all multiplications before division. When they arrive here, they multiply first before dividing. They do all the multiplication first by saying this becomes 16 and then this becomes 8 and then before they now divide. If you multiply first before you divide, then you get a wrong answer because this will become 0.75 plus 8 and that answer will be wrong. Again, that is not PEMDAS because when multiplication and division appear together, you solve from left to right. Don't ignore the left to right rule. Mistake 3, combining everything inside parentheses incorrectly. Some do this. They solve 3 squared minus 1 and then multiply it by 6 minus 2 squared. This gives 8 times 2 and this becomes 16. This messes up the whole question. This looks neat, but it is totally wrong because these parentheses are not supposed to be multiplied by each other. Now it's your turn to prove that you've mastered PEMDAS. Solve this question. Don't forget to like this video, Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a math challenge that sharpens your skills. See you in the next video.